How to find SKU on Walmart. A Walmart SKU is a unique identifier assigned to products, aiding in inventory management and tracking. Here's how you can find a Walmart SKU. First, visit Walmart's website and input the SKU number in the search bar to find the item. Check the search results and select the relevant item for more details. On the Walmart's website, search for the desired item, then open the product's page to find the SKU in the URL. Alternatively, use BrickSeek's Walmart Inventory Checker for the SKU. Use the SKU to find detailed product information like price, model, weight, and color on Walmart's website. Verify item availability through BrickSeek's Inventory Checker using the SKU. A Walmart SKU is for internal use, whereas the UPC is a universal product code. UPCs have 12 numeric digits, while SKUs have 8 alphanumeric digits. SKUs aid in internal tracking and inventory management, improving accuracy and efficiency. They also help associates quickly identify and locate items. Walmart SKU numbers are essential for efficient inventory management and tracking. Use them to quickly access detailed product information and check item availability. I think this video helps you. Thanks for watching.